Hi guys, welcome to Sabonzi Academy. In today's video, we'll be solving the question 10 of the 2021 Nov-Dec core math theory questions. Question 10a. Four of the interior angles of a heptagon are 106 degrees, 110 degrees, 127 degrees, and 120 degrees. The remaining angles are in the ratio 2:3.5:5. Calculate the smallest angle of the heptagon. So let's begin with our solution. So first we know that a heptagon has 7 sides. Therefore, n is equal to 7. Now we know that the sum of interior angles of a polygon is equal to sum of interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 times 180. So the sum of interior angles of a heptagon is equal to n, which is 7 minus 2 times 180. This is equal to 5 times 180. 5 times 180 is equal to 900. So the sum of angles will be 900 degrees. Now 4 of the angles are 106, 110, 127, and 120. So the sum of 4 angles is equal to 106 degrees, 110 degrees, 127 degrees, and 120 degrees. And this is equal to 463 degrees. A heptagon has 7 angles, and then the sum of the 4 angles is 463. So the sum of 3 angles will be equal to the sum of all the angles, which is 900, minus the sum of the 4 angles, which is 463. And that will be equal to 437 degrees. Now, these 3 angles are in the ratio 2:3.5:5. So the total ratio is equal to 2 plus 3.5 plus 5. And this is equal to 10.5. So we are saying that 10.5 is equivalent to 437 degrees. So 2 will be equal to 2/10.5 times 437 degrees. And this is equal to 83.24 degrees. Now 3.5 will be equal to 3.5/10.5 times 437 degrees. And that will be equal to 145.67 degrees. 5 will be equal to 5/10.5 times 437 degrees. This will be equal to 208 degrees. So therefore, the angles are 83.24 145.67, 208, 106 degrees, 110 degrees, 127 degrees, and 120 degrees. Therefore, the smallest angle is 83.24 degrees. This brings us to the end of question 10A. So we'll be moving on to question 10B. The sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic progression is 120. If the fifth term is 6 less than the 8th term, find the I, common difference, II, first term. So let's begin with our solution. So for an arithmetic progression, the nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1d, and the sum of the n terms is equal to n over 2a plus n minus 1d. So from the question, we have the fifth term and then the 8th term. So the fifth term is a plus 5 minus 1d, which is equal to a plus 4d. The 8th term is equal to a plus 8 minus 1d, which is equal to a plus 7d. And then the fifth term is 6 less than the 8th term. So the fifth term will be the 8th term minus 6. So U5 is equal to U8 minus 6. And U5 is a plus 4d. This will be equal to a plus 7d minus 6. Now when we group like terms, you have a minus a plus 4d minus 7d is equal to minus 6. A minus a will be 0. 4d minus 7d will give us minus 3d is equal to minus 6. So to find d, we divide 2 by minus 3. Here divide by minus 3. And here divide by minus 3. This cancels this. So minus cancels minus. 3 goes into 6 2 times. So our d will be equal to 2. So therefore, the common difference is 2. Now we know that the sum of the first 10 terms is 120. So S10 is equal to 10 over 2 times 2a plus 10 minus 1, 2. And then S10 is 120. So we have 120 is equal to 5, 2a plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. So we can divide both sides by 5. 5 cancels 5. 5 goes into 120 24 times. So we have 24 is equal to 2a plus 18. So 2a will be equal to 24 minus 18. 24 minus 18 is equal to 6. So 2a will be equal to 6. To find a, we divide 2 by 2, here by 2. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So a is equal to 3. Therefore, the first term is 3. This brings us to the end of question 10b and to the end of question 10. In our next video, we'll be solving the question 11 of the 2021 Nov-Dec core maths theory questions.